Ever found yourself staring at a payment terminal, a sleek metal card in your hand, wondering if it could unlock the crypto in your digital wallet? You're not alone. The line between the traditional world of fiat currency and the exciting, sometimes perplexing, realm of cryptocurrency is constantly blurring. And one of the tools aiming to bridge that gap is the Tangem card. So, the burning question: can you actually pay with a Tangem card at your local store, restaurant, or online retailer, just like you would with a regular debit or credit card? Let's dive into what a Tangem card actually is. Think of it as a physical cold storage wallet for your cryptocurrencies. It's a tamper-proof, secure chip encased in a durable card. Unlike online or software wallets, your private keys are generated and stored directly on the card itself, never leaving its secure environment. This significantly reduces the risk of online hacks and unauthorized access. You interact with your crypto on the card through the Tangem mobile app, allowing you to manage your assets, send and receive cryptocurrencies, and even interact with decentralized applications. Now, back to the payment question. Currently, the Tangem card, in its direct form, cannot be swiped or tapped at standard point-of-sale (POS) terminals that businesses typically use for accepting Visa, MasterCard, or other traditional payment methods. It doesn't have the magnetic stripe or NFC technology that these terminals are designed to read for fiat transactions. However, the story doesn't end there. While you can't directly use your Tangem card like a regular bank card, there are potential avenues and functionalities that allow you to indirectly use your crypto holdings for real-world payments. One key aspect to understand is the Tangem's ability to interact with various cryptocurrency platforms and services. For instance, you can use the Tangem app to send cryptocurrency from your card to exchanges or platforms that offer crypto-backed debit cards. These platforms essentially allow you to convert your crypto into fiat currency, which is then loaded onto a separate debit card that can be used at standard payment terminals. Another potential use case lies in the evolving landscape of cryptocurrency adoption. As more businesses begin to directly accept cryptocurrency payments, the Tangem card could become a secure and convenient way to authorize these transactions, perhaps through QR code scanning or other direct crypto payment methods integrated into their systems. While this isn't the norm yet, the trend towards crypto acceptance is growing. Furthermore, Tangem itself is continuously developing and exploring new features and integrations. It's conceivable that future iterations or partnerships could introduce functionalities that streamline the process of using crypto held on a Tangem card for everyday purchases. This could involve collaborations with payment processors or the development of innovative solutions that bridge the gap between cold storage security and payment convenience. So, to reiterate, while you can't walk into a coffee shop today and directly swipe your Tangem card to pay for your latte, the Tangem card plays a crucial role in securely managing your cryptocurrency, which can then be utilized for payments through various indirect methods and potentially more direct methods in the future as the crypto payment ecosystem evolves. It's a secure vault for your digital assets, offering a crucial layer of protection in the often vulnerable world of cryptocurrency. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.